This is James. This is James's dad. Now James was sent here by his dad under the supervision of his grandfather to study. Well, I guess that's how he wanted it to turn out. Well, James was sort of clever. But not quite clever enough.
But I have something to attend to today, so I'll be gone for the rest of the day.
And at that moment, James knew it was his chance. James searched everywhere. He didn't know where his video games were or where they could have gone to. Well, he did find something else. It was a letter from his grandfather. James was dumbfounded as he started reading what his grandfather had written for him. As James finished reading the letter, it was all clear to him now. His grandfather had carefully placed notes all around the house. These notes would then lead to where his grandfather had hidden his video games. This was his first note. The note asked of him to create a trapezoid with two identical right triangles. Out of paper, of course. James had no time to lose. He got to work immediately. After a couple of minutes, James was done with his trapezoid. Now again, James's trapezoid had two identical right triangles. He created the last triangle by putting their opposing sides together and drawing a line that connected their last 2 points. He gave each of the original triangles an area of 1/2 AB, and the last triangle he drew with the line an area of 1/2 C square. James then continued his search for the next note. The more he searched for the note, the more he got tired and irritated. But to his surprise, he finally found it.
Finally.
Now this note asked of him to get the area of the trapezoid. A trapezoid has an area calculated by its height 1/2 the sum of its uneven sides. So the trapezoid has an area of 1/2 times a plus b times a plus b. Since those areas are the same, this leads to an equation. 1/2 ab plus 1/2 ab plus 1/2 c squared is equal to 1/2 times a plus b times a plus b. This simplifies quickly. On the left, the two halves of AB can be added together. On the right, we just multiply all the terms. After simplifying both sides, you get this. AB plus 1/2 c squared is equal to 1/2 a squared plus 1/2 b squared plus ab. Now that James is done with this step, he proceeds to looking for the next note. And as usual, he finds it. Now this note tells him to cancel out all the common factors. We previously had ab plus 1/2 c squared is equal to 1/2 a squared plus 1/2 b squared plus ab. Now, since we have to cancel out all the common factors, we have to take out both ab's from both sides, left and right. After cancelling both ab's out, we are left with 1/2 c squared is equal to 1/2 a squared plus 1/2 b squared.
Hello? Hey James. Go online. Let's play.
At this point, James was already too tired. He was annoyed and was sick of all the note finding.
Come on now. Yo, James.
Wow. I didn't know you were here.
Tricked you all along.
Oh, so that's why I don't have my video games.
Well done, James. Well done. What, you didn't think math could be played like a game? Here's your last note.
To get the final equation, you need to multiply all the factors by 2. After doing so, we are left with c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, your old standard Pythagorean theorem equation.
James, for completing my task, you earned it.
But no, I'm gonna study some more.
James was a changed man.
Hey guys, I hope you had a great vacation, and our first topic is Pythagorean theorem. Guys, it's fun, it's just easy.